Hi everyone, it's Corey. How have you guys been? I hope you had a really, really good Friday the 13th and a Friday the 13th weekend and sales and all that type of stuff. If you bought anything, good for you. Good for you. Okay, so hopefully you cannot hear the fan in the background because it is on low. It's very hot in Wellington, New Zealand right now, so there's that. And also the other thing is that I have hay fever right now, so if you hear me sniffing, I probably didn't edit that out correctly. I'm going to try and edit out my sniffing. Antihistamines are not working for me today, so my voice might be a little bit different too. It affects my voice as well, I know. Okay, let's just make it a short intro. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about three things. So today we're going to be talking about three stories. The first is Oh My Girl's Arden's behavior towards TXT Soobin has actually come under fire. And the second one is April's Known makes an accident on the set of Knowing Brothers. Third one is aespa's Corinna continues to get criticized for her dancing skills. Netizens are still criticizing her. Okay, so back to the first one. Korean fans are slamming Arden's behavior towards Soobin. Oh My Girl's Arden is a host on the show Music Bank, along with TXT Soobin, starting their hosting positions on July 24th this year, 2020. The two have been getting a lot of attention for their cute chemistry on the show, with K-pop fans always on the lookout for their next interaction together. Seriously, they're so cute. They're so cute together. After some photos of Arden and Soobin circulated on several online community forums, Korean netizens criticized Arden for being too touchy. Yeah, you heard that right, too touchy, as they like to call it, with Soobin. So it's been 4 months since these two began hosting together, so it's natural for them to become close friends during this time. However, Korean netizens have expressed that they are not happy with Arden touching Soobin, even if it's so slightly. Like, for example, leaning on Soobin's shoulder. Many have expressed that fans would feel uncomfortable seeing such actions and demanding that she change her habits. Comments will be up on the screen, like always. So, in my opinion, these netizens have no right to speak on behalf of fans. In my perspective, in my world, I have not seen fans speaking up about this, so I don't understand why netizens are so worried. I am a TXT fan myself. My bias is Soobin. And to be honest, I felt that Arden's interactions with Soobin were very harmless. Like, very harmless. Like, what is she doing? She's laughing, she's smiling, she's not really leaning on his shoulder, more like leaning towards the side. And that's just a habit of hers, and you can see that she does it around other people as well. They seem to have a really great relationship, and since this so-called controversy erupted, it's going to affect them. It really is. It's going to affect how they interact with each other, and this has happened in the past before, but previously fans were the ones involved, not netizens. Like, fans were the ones that were unhappy. I'm pretty sure netizens would have gladly been unhappy along with them, but it was primarily fans that were involved at that time. Anyways, netizens really like to put their noses in everything. Like, everything. I hope this doesn't ruin Arden's and Soobin's relationship. I really don't. I really love their characters as hosts on Music Bank. I would hate to see another friendship ruined because people can't get over their jealousy. So, what do you guys think? Yeah, again, sorry if my voice sounds different. That's just how it is. If you have hay fever, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't have hay fever, lucky you. Lucky you. Okay, so our next story is Known makes an accident on the set of Knowing Bros. Now this one's a little bit weird. If you don't know her, and this is the first time you're hearing about this girl, you're probably gonna be like, okay, that's weird. That's really bizarre. That's kind of odd. So recently, April's Known has been receiving a lot of negative attention for her special talent. She went back in time to imitate a dance she created when she was younger, so around the age of 5 years old, as she said herself. So while many would think that this would be a very cute reenactment of a baby Known dance, the response was very heavily, the opposite. And the amount of views this video has on YouTube is kind of insane. Like how much attention Noun, very, very pretty girl, very, very pretty idol, has gotten just because of this dance. So with no music involved, Noun moved from side to side while speaking in a baby voice, like goo goo gaga, all that type of stuff, but Korean, saying things like Oma, which is mum in Korean, and Appa, which is dad in Korean. The cast on the show couldn't help but laugh, and I admit myself, this part was just a little bit funny. It was a little bit funny. It was different to what we're normally used to seeing on variety shows. So then Noun ends the dance by falling to the floor and saying, "I peed myself." Now, while the cast found this to be hilarious, Korean netizens, felt this to be very, very inappropriate. Some were saying, hey, this must mean that she's low on money, or idols are forcing themselves to do this kind of stuff now, or that this is controversial, stuff like that. So I really don't know what to say. Because while watching the scene, the clip on YouTube that I talked about, I myself did feel kind of weird watching this. In the beginning, like I said before, it was a little bit funny, but when she dropped to the ground and says, "I peed myself," it's so bizarre to be seeing an idol say that, I was gonna say maybe an idol has said that in the past before, but I don't know. I really don't know. Unless they were in a Korean drama. But yeah, when she says, "I peed myself," that's the bizarre part. I do find that really weird. So of course, you can say that this would be normal behavior for a child, and she's just acting. But it's still weird to me, okay? Still a little weird. You can also see that the guests on the show, who were female members of other groups, if you have a look at their reactions, you can totally see that they are forcing their laughter. Okay, some of them may not be forcing their laughter, like a couple of them. But for example, Mion from Idol, she's just smiling, and you know that she's just smiling out of respect towards Noun, okay? But you can tell by her expression that she feels you can just tell that she feels weird. And if you have a look at Eumji from G-Friend, her reaction is just, I don't know, am I like looking too deep into this? Her reaction it's just a little inauthentic. We'll say like that. I don't want to say the other word. And then Una, who is also in G-Friend, she's sitting beside Eumji. She claps her hands and then proceeds to cover her mouth with one of her hands. So you can tell that she is kind of embarrassed as well. So you guys have to tell me that I'm not looking too deep into this. Okay, so to be honest, I think that Noun herself may have forced herself to do this, because to me it does feel like she feels awkward herself when she's doing it. And also, if you notice, when she walks back to her seat, her head is hanging low as if she feels defeated or embarrassed. Just telling you what I observed. Don't come for me. Don't come at me if you feel offended. You know how I told you guys my schedule is going to be really hectic? It's because I'm studying. So I forgot the class, but one of the topics that I am learning right now is human communication, and like how people communicate and all that kind of stuff. Their behaviors, their habits, their expressions. This was kind of an example of what I'm learning. I got to look at all of the guests and see what their reactions were towards Noun, and then I got to see Noun's reaction and her behavior. I'm not saying that I'm right, I'm just saying what I observed. By the way, I have no bad intentions here whatsoever. I do not have any bad intentions. I love all of these girls, even though I don't know all of them. Like, nothing, no bad vibes here. Okay, so our last story is kind of like what I previously reported about Karina. So Karina continues to be criticized for her dancing skills. You guys know Karina already. She is aespa's Karina. She is Yoo Ji-min Karina. She is speculated to be the main dancer in SM Entertainment's upcoming highly anticipated girl group, aespa. So Karina's recent video teaser has been a hot topic since its release, as many netizens have criticized her for her dancing abilities. Basically, this is a continuation of the criticism from my last story, because my last story about Karina's dancing skills was like the initial reaction of netizens. Now it's just the continuation of what netizens feel now, and this is how they feel. They continue to criticize her for her dancing skills, even though we haven't seen much from Karina yet. So, many Korean netizens have commented on her beauty. Yeah, they love that she's so beautiful, obviously. But they are concerned about SM Entertainment's choice to debut her as a main dancer of the group, even though we don't know if she's going to be a main dancer, but Karina has been highly speculated to be the main dancer of aespa, as she has continuously shown dancing skills, along with her other famous label mates such as Kai and Taemin. So Kai and Taemin, if you don't already know, Kai is part of EXO and Taemin is a part of SHINee. And SHINee is back, guys. I have to express my excitement because like Minho just came back from the military and now all of the SHINee members are together. Yep, and Jonghyun is looking up from above and saying, finally, we can have a comeback. Yeah, anyway, I'll continue. So these two people, Kai and Taemin, are known to be two of the best dancers in the whole of the K-pop industry. So Korean netizens have been discussing Karina's dancing skills, comparing her to her fellow label mates who have the main dance position. And from the video teasers, many have complained that Karina looks unnatural and stiff during the dance scenes. Moreover, some Korean netizens are even going as far as to say that SM Entertainment may have pushed Karina to be a dancer, but her skills are still lacking. Comments obviously up on the screen. Korean netizens are not the only ones criticizing her. No. I've seen many international netizens roasting Karina's dancing skills too. Like, I don't know if these are people that are rival group fans, or just they want to roast this girl's dancing skills because they just want to. The evil world in which we live in. I still believe that it's too early to judge this girl. Perhaps she is lacking, but she will improve, and that always happens with SM groups. And people are very quick to judge not just Karina, but this group as a whole, because they have 4 members, and so it's easy for people to compare them, aespa, to Blackpink. People are quick to judge them because they want to see extraordinary talent from this new girl group produced by SM Entertainment. And I think that's a little unfair, because idols aren't gods. Idols are human. They're human. So each new group that debuts in another generation of K-pop, right now we're in the 4th generation, they don't unlock a new level of unreachable talent. They debut because because the members, their dreams are to become idols, and they've worked hard to get to that position. Like every other group, every new group, just because this group is from a big agency, one of the big 3, we still have to give them a chance, especially Karina, because she's been getting negative attention even before she debuted, which she hasn't debuted yet. So even before she was announced to be in this group, she's been getting a lot of negative attention. Alright, let me know what you think about Karina continuously receiving criticism about her dancing skills in the comment section below. And I'm Corey, and that's catching up with important issues in K-pop. I will see you in the next video. Bye!